it. Any help is appreciated.
Dress that I'm gonna wear.
We are going to Sylvia shopping first. Morning. It's Friday morning here in New Zealand, and it'll be a long weekend, so but we will see how that goes. For now, let's go get breakfast, which is avocado and scrambled eggs on toast. And of course, my day starts with beetroot carrot juice. I love it. Again, I add oranges because I'm taking iron supplements, and I really need vitamin C, otherwise it just messes up the whole stomach. Okay, let's go. So you can see me waiting for Shri to finish his cleaning, and post that I've prepped some dinner, which is chole. Finally, I've got time to make some. And now what's happening is the chaos, and that's because we are making orange cake, oat flour orange cake, and it's a recipe from Hungry Happens. It's a website, but this is like my favorite, his favorite, and I'm making it because Shri asked me to, and he said he's been craving, and because I tell him that next time I'm gonna be making this and this cake and stuff, so he knows what's coming. But because I've stopped talking about orange cake, he's like, he insisted that I make some, so here I am. I will then be heading, once all of this is sorted. We've had our breakfast, 12, like almost midday, so we'll be having our lunch, which is millets, which is here. You will see all of that in a bit, but for now, let's just get going and make the orange cake real quick. So it's cooking while we're having breakfast and doing the dishes and stuff, and before we leave, we can just let it out of the oven and cool. Let's do that. is no joke, but a very serious question. So focus. I've just used this to grind oats, but it's always been an issue. I want anybody who's watching this and who knows this stuff to tell me, how do I get rid of the the stuff that stays at the bottom, something that's stuck here. Are there any tips or tricks? This is the Kenwood food processor grinder and stuff, that the whole thing that comes together. So if you can see, always use a knife, and I know it's not right because I can sense it's rubber, and I can definitely screw things up. Yeah, so this is what I struggle with, and it's my pet peeve because I want it to be clean. So if you know a way easier than this, and just to let you know, I've already tried putting the dish soap and using the grinder, so turning it on and stuff. I've already tried it. This thing here, if you let's do this. If you can see here inside the tiny white, that's what irks me. So if there's anything you can tell me to fix it, any help is appreciated. Do let me know in comments. That's the only way we can connect. So thank you, and it's bye for now. I'm gonna have my breakfast. I'm hungry. Okay, so this is the look. I'm not gonna show my footwear yet because I'm not like wearing one yet, but that's for later. For now, this is the look. Got my accessories, got my hair shampooed, and this is the dress that I'm gonna wear, and this is the jumble that I wear at home. We're ready to go get our laser done now, but there's a surprise and you have to wait for it. See ya. Okay, so we are going to Sylvia, but like I said, there's a surprise. Reveal yourself. Ta-da! So yeah, Sabrina is coming along with me because we are going shopping, and of course can't forget the husband. Thank you for driving us to Sylvia. See you guys. Bye. She's sleeping. Let's go shopping. First, later. Madam is shopping.